Hi friends, today we are going to see formation of partial differential equations. So how to form partial differential equation? So first one is by eliminating arbitrary constants and the second one is by eliminating arbitrary functions. So let's see how to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So it can be eliminated by using partial differential coefficients. They are P is equal to dou z by dou x and Q is equal to dou z by dou y. So let's see some examples. Form the PDE. PDE is nothing but partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b from z is equal to ax plus b1. So let's take the given equation as 1. So differentiate partially with respect to these equations by x and y. So what is partial differentiation? So if we have a equation x plus y, if we have to partial differentiate with respect to x, we have to consider only x and leave y. So the answer must be, if we differentiate with respect to x, the answer should be 1. If it is in multiplication x and y, if we partially differentiate with respect to x, then the answer is y. In multiplication and division, we should put the y term as it is. But in addition and subtraction, we have to leave y. So this is partial differential equation. So here, if we partially differentiate with respect to x, the answer should be a and the x becomes 1. So a and leave this part. So dou z by dou x equal to a, which is we already see dou z by dou x equal to p. So therefore this is equal to p. And if we differentiate partially with respect to y, it becomes, this term becomes 0 and b into 1. So b, which is equal to q. So substitute this a and b value in the given equation. So z is equal to px plus qy. So this is the required partial differential equation. So let's move on to next question. In this example, the equation is z is equal to x square plus a into y square plus b. So differentiate this equation partially with respect to x and y. So dou z by dou x equal to 2x into y square plus b. Here these both terms are in multiplication. So put the y term as it is, y square plus b, and only differentiate the x term. So when differentiate x square, it becomes 2x and the term plus a becomes 0. So therefore dou z by dou x equal to 2x into y square plus b. When partial differentiate with respect to y, then dou z by dou y is equal to, put the x term as it is, so x square plus a, and differentiate the y term. So y square is 2y and the b term becomes 0. So dou z by dou x is p. So p is equal to 2x into y square plus b. And dou z by dou y is equal to q. So q is equal to 2y into x square plus a. So from this, y square plus b is equal to p divided by 2x. And x square by a is equal to q divided by 2y. So let's substitute this y square plus b and x square plus a in the given equation. So therefore z is equal to p by 2x into q by 2y. So when solving this, we can get pq is equal to 4xyz. This is a required PDE. So in this question, they ask, find the PDE of all planes having equal intercepts on the x and y axis. So the equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So here said there is equal intercepts on x and y axis. So we are going to put a in both x and y axis because it has equal intercept. So it becomes x by a plus y by a plus z by b, which is equal to 1. So next term of a is b. So we are putting 1 here. So next, differentiate this equation partially with respect to x and y. So here, so this term becomes 0, y by e. So when differentiate this x by a, x becomes 1, so 1 by e. Plus here the z term becomes dou z by dou x. And leave what it as it is the b term into 1 by b equal to 0. And if we differentiate with respect to y, this term becomes 0 and this term y by a, put y by 1 by a as it is and y becomes 1. And differentiate with respect to y, dou z by dou y into 1 by b, which is equal to 0. So substitute p and q terms. So 1 by a plus p by b is equal to 0 and 1 by a plus q by b is equal to 0. So this solve these two equations. So therefore 1 by a plus p by b minus, that is 2 minus 3. Subtract 2 from 3. Therefore we get 1 by a term gets cancelled. So therefore we get p by b minus q by b is equal to 0. So from this b term becomes 0. So therefore p is equal to q. This is the required partial differential equation. So in this question, if the question asked if it has equal intercepts on y and z axis, that the equation becomes x by a plus y by b plus z by b. So if it is asked like x and z axis, then x by a plus y by b plus z by a. So from this equation we can answer. Ask, construct the PDE of all spheres whose centers lie on the x-axis. So what is the equation of all spheres whose centers lie on all axes? So the equation is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z minus c the whole square, which is equal to r square. This is the equation of all spheres whose centers lie on all axes. If so, here the center lie on only x-axis, so the equation becomes only the x minus a the whole square plus y square plus z square. This b and c becomes 0. So if they ask for y-axis, then the equation becomes x square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square equal to r square. Likewise for z-axis. So now here the required equation is x minus a the whole square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So differentiate this equation partially with respect to x and y. When differentiate with respect to x, leave this y term and only consider the x term and z term. So in the x term, this is x minus a the whole square. If we differentiate it, it becomes 2 into x minus a plus this term becomes 2z into dou z by dou x, which is equal to 0. If we differentiate partially with respect to y, it becomes, this term becomes 0 and this term becomes 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y, which is equal to 0. So substitute dou z by dou x equal to p and dou z by dou y equal to q in the given equations. So from the third equation, we can say 2y plus 2z equal to q equal to 0. From this we can take 2 as common and cancel. So y plus zq equal to 0. This is the required PDE. If we solve these two equations, we can't get the PDE because again a is there. So if we have to eliminate the arbitrary constant, here the arbitrary constants are a and r. So if we have to eliminate this, we just consider this equation only. So 2y plus 2z cube is equal to 0. So from this we can get y plus z cube equal to 0. This is the required PDE. So next question is, form PDE by eliminating a and b from x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to z square into cot square alpha. So here differentiate this equation partially with respect to x and y. When differentiate partially with respect to x, this term becomes 0 and this becomes 2 into x minus a and equal to this z square cot square alpha. This cot square alpha is constant. So put as it is in the cot square alpha, put as it is in the equation and differentiate z square. Z square is 2z into dou z by dou x. Again in b also 2 into give this term, it becomes 0 and this y term 2 into y minus b which is equal to 2z into cot square alpha into dou z by dou y. So substitute dou z by dou x equal to p and dou z by dou y equal to q. So substitute this x minus a and y minus a in the given equation. So therefore zp into cot square alpha whole square plus zq into cot square alpha into whole square equal to z square into cot square alpha. Here z square cot square alpha. Therefore the remaining term is p square into cot square alpha plus q square into cot square alpha is equal to z square cot square alpha. So cancel this z square cot square alpha on both sides. Therefore we get the PDE as p square into cot square alpha plus q square into cot square alpha is equal to 1. This is the required PDE. Here the question is, find PDE of all planes which are at a constant distance
A from the origin.
So here the required equation is Lx plus my plus nz equal to a. If they ask find PDE of all planes which are at a constant distance k from the origin, we have to just put k here instead of a. So here required equation is Lx plus my plus nz is equal to a. So from this we can say L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. So from this n is equal to root of 1 minus L square minus m square. Take it as first equation. Given required equation is 1 and this n term is termed as 2. So substitute this 2 in 1. So substitute this n term in first equation. Therefore Lx plus my plus z into root of 1 minus L square minus m square is equal to a. This is the third equation. So next differentiate this equation, third equation, partially with respect to x and y. If we differentiate partially with respect to x, then consider the x term and the z term. So therefore L, this becomes 1, x becomes 1 and this term becomes dou z by dou x and this constant term comes as it is. So therefore root of 1 minus L square minus m square and a becomes 0. So from this L is equal to minus p into root of 1 minus L square minus m square. It is termed as fourth equation. And then if we partial differentiate with respect to y, then this term becomes 0 and y becomes 1 if we differentiate it, and dou z plus dou z by dou y into same term root of 1 minus L square minus m square and a becomes 0. So from this m is equal to minus q into root of 1 minus L square minus m square. It is termed as fifth equation. So we are just squaring and adding the fourth and fifth equations. So L square plus m square is equal to p square into this root, square root and square are cancelled. Therefore 1 minus L square minus m square plus q square into 1 minus L square into m square. Next this becomes, if we take p square and q square as common, then 1 minus L square minus m square into what p square plus q square. So So here take the minus term as common. So p square plus q square into 1 minus of L square plus m square. And then from here L square plus m square equal to p square plus q square minus. So we have to multiply this term with this. So p square plus q square into 1 is equal to p square plus q square minus p square plus q square into L square plus m square. And from this L square plus m square and take the in the left hand side. Therefore L square plus m square plus L square plus m square into p square plus q square is equal to p square plus q square. Now take the L square plus m square term is common. Therefore 1 plus a p square plus q square equal to p square plus q square. This gives L square plus m square is equal to p square plus q square divided by 1 plus p square plus q square. So root of 1 minus of L square plus m square is equal to root of 1 minus p square plus q square divided by 1 plus p square plus q square, which is equal to 1 plus p square plus q square. So substitute this root of 1 minus of L square plus m square in equation 4 and 5. So this equation for L and m. So if we substitute in L, then it becomes minus p divided by root of 1 plus m p square plus q square, and m is equal to minus q divided by root of 1 plus p square plus q square. So substitute this L and m in equation 3. So it becomes minus ph divided by root of 1 plus p square plus q square is minus qy divided by root of 1 plus p square plus q square plus z by root of 1 plus p square plus q square is equal to a. So from this minus px minus qy plus z is equal to a into, put this term on, it becomes multiplied with a. So therefore z is equal to px plus qy plus a into root of 1 plus p square plus q square. This is the required PDE. So the last example is form PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b from log of az minus 1 is equal to x plus ay plus b. Differentiate partially with respect to x and y, the given equation. So this log x, if we differentiate log of az minus 1, it becomes 1 by az minus 1. Again az minus 1 we differentiate, it becomes a into dou z by dou x, which is equal to, here we leave the constant terms a, y and b. So x becomes 1. Same with y, 1 by az minus 1 into a into dou z by dou y, which is equal to a. Here x and b becomes 0 and y becomes 1, therefore a into 1 a. So from this we put dou z by dou x equal to p, therefore ap is equal to, when cross multiplied, becomes az minus 1. Here aq is equal to a into az minus 1. So from this we can get a is equal to 1 by z minus p and q is equal to z minus 1. So substitute this second and third equation in, so substitute this second equation in 3. So here a is equal to 1 by z minus p. So substitute this a in here. So therefore q is equal to z divided by z minus p minus 1. Therefore q is equal to z minus, so if we take LCM from this common term z minus p, from cross multiply it becomes z minus 1 into z minus 1 into minus p plus p. Therefore p is equal to, from this p is equal to q into, from this here z and this term is cancelled. Therefore p is equal to q into, when cross multiplied, q into z minus p. This is the required PDE.
For any doubt, ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe my channel.